Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Everything with Wills and welcome to another video. And in today's video we're going to talk about Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we're going to talk about have got, has got, used to. So let's get started. So the first of all, usage of have got, has got, used to. We use it to express that someone has got into habit of doing something or become more comfortable of doing something. So the Urdu identification is आदत पड़ चुकी है or आदत पड़ गई है. So let's talk about the affirmative structure. In the affirmative structure, we use subject, then have or has, got used to, ing form of the verb, and object. With I, we, you, they, we use have. With he, she, it, or any name, we use has. So now you know where we use have and where we use has. So let's take the examples. Example number one is I have got used to driving on the left. That means I'm now habitual of driving on the left. So example number two is he has got used to taking exercises now. It means he was not taking exercises. Now he has got into habit of taking exercises. So the example number three is people have got used to bearing injustice. Yes, that's true. Nowadays people bear injustice. They do not even think that that's a wrong thing. So they are in habit of bearing injustice. So now let's take example of the negative structure. In the negative structure we use subject, have or has, not, got used to, ing form of the verb, and object, full stop. For example, she has not got used to living in noisy city. You have not got used to getting up early in the morning. That means you're still not in habit of getting up early in the morning, or you're not comfortable with getting up early in the morning. She has not got used to cooking. Now let's talk about the interrogative structure. In the interrogative structure we use have or has at the beginning of the sentence, subject, got used to, ing form of the verb, and object plus question mark. For example, have you got used to being oppressed? Has he got used to deceiving people? Have they got used to ripping off customers? So this was the interrogative structure. I hope you have understood this very well, and if still there is any confusion that you don't understand, or if there is still any question, you can drop your question in the comment section. I'll get back to you. Thank you very much.